Hello friends, welcome back to the funny video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone setting, and today video title is guys how to use guys double tap to wake screen setting on Oppo mobile. Friends, we want to use double tap to wake screen. So how to use double tap to wake screen setting today friends, I will show you, I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So suppose friends your phone screen is off and friends you want to on your screen with double tap without click power button. So friends, how to use this setting? Open your phone setting first of all. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Oppo mobile. Friends, click on Oppo phone home and lock screen setting, and friends scroll it. Friends, you can see lock screen setting. First is raise to wake. Friends, you want to use raise to wake, so you can on and you can off from here. Friends, click on double tap to wake screen, and guys on your double tap to wake screen. And guys now guys we will lock our screen. So guys without click button friends you can lock your screen. And friends now you want to unlock your screen, you want to on your screen without click any button on your device. Friends, double tap on your screen and guys your phone screen will on automatic, and double tap to off. So friends, double tap screen will on our device. So without power button guys we can lock our screen, friends we can on our screen on our phone device. And once you don't want to use this setting, so when direct click on search option, double tap setting friends. Friends, you can see double tap to wake screen setting है home and log screen setting friends, click here, and friends you can off from here. And guys after of friends you can lock your screen, and guys your screen will not on automatic on your device. Friends, you can see double tap screen will not on, we will use power button. So like that friends we can use double tap to wake screen setting on Oppo phone device. Bye guys.